It's a waste of milk. Imagine the women who had to breastfeed and they just was blah, 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 blah. I'm wondering who the first person was that decided they was going to pat their baby on the back to burp them, and then realized that that burp caused them to have less indigestion. Like, that had to have been a very conscious, very motherly mother that decided that they wanted their baby to stop throwing up, because this is something that is taught through generations. You pat the back or you rub the back. I don't know which one y'all do. I don't know which one's more effective. I do the pat. My wife thinks that it's actually very aggressive, the patting. But yeah, whoever the first person was that was like, I'm going to pat my baby on the back until they burp, had to have been a very smart individual. And not only are they smart, they didn't keep it as a family secret. They told other people who told other people, and now it's a universal thing. Like, don't just feed your baby. You have to get the air out of it, or it'll throw up all over you. Like, you have to be extremely conscious, nurturing, and caring to come up with something like that, because the baby just would have been throwing up all over me.